Tired of throwing money at Facebook ads and hoping for the best? Let's get your Kvcore website talking to Facebook so you can finally see what's working and what's not. I'm going to show you step by step how to add your Facebook pixel to Kvcore in under 2 minutes. First, head over to your Facebook Business Manager, click on the menu icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines and navigate to Events Manager. Once you're in Events Manager, if you don't have a pixel created already, you'll need to create one. Follow the prompts from Facebook to set up a new pixel. If you already have a pixel, select the pixel you want to use, copy your pixel ID. This is a long string of numbers and it's your unique identifier. Keep it safe. Now, log into your Kvcore account and go to the Marketing Autopilot section on the left-hand side menu, then select Settings. Scroll down until you find the Third-Party Integrations section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a field labeled Facebook Pixel ID. Paste the pixel ID you copied from Facebook into this field. Don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save button to save your changes. It is so important to save or this process won't work. And that's it. Your Facebook pixel is now integrated with your Kvcore website. Give it 24 to 48 hours to start collecting data. Now you can start creating targeted ads, track conversions, and optimize your marketing like a pro. Now, get out there and turn that data into dollars. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Kvcore tips and tricks.